Hello, I am the Northman. Welcome back to the channel. And let's get into today's article. And it says Senate scrambles to save crypto bill after Coinbase says no deal. Senate committees postpone crypto bill markups after Coinbase withdrew support over stablecoin provisions, dropping market sentiment from greed to neutral. This article is written by Treasure Edge and it comes from Coin Central. Of course, I will always link the article down below so you can read it for yourself when you find the time to do so. The main points are crypto fear and greed index are up 10 points to 49 on Friday, moving from greed to neutral territory. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong withdrew support for Senate crypto market structure bill, calling it materially worse than the current status quo. Damning words. Senate Banking Committee cancelled its Thursday markup for the crypto bill, citing the need for more support. Senate Agriculture Committee postponed its markup to late January for the same reasons. Senate Democrats are planning a Friday call with crypto industry representatives to discuss the legislation. Well, the crypto market saw a shift in sentiment this week as a key price for US legislation hit unexpected roadblocks. The move came after Coinbase withdrew its support for the bill. The crypto fear and greed index fell from 61 to 49 on Friday. This marked a drop from greed territory into a neutral range within 24 hours. The index has reached its highest point since October 10th on Thursday, that same day in October. The crypto market expected 19 billion in liquidations. And here you can see the Bitcoin price chart, almost up to 96 K. Bitcoin has climbed about 5% to $97,870 on Thursday. Sentiment, a crypto sentiment platform, said the rise was justified by smart money accumulation and retail traders selling. The industry split over bill provisions. The shift in sentiment came after concerns emerged about the Senate version of crypto market structure legislation. The bill aims to divide regulatory oversight between US market watchdogs. As covered by Crypto Rover in this X suite. Several crypto executives raised issues with specific provisions in the bill. One major concern focused on restrictions placed on stablecoin yields. I think that actually might be, and the main sticking point here is that banks don't like that stablecoin providers can give them excess yield that the banks actually can't give them, and that they can pay out daily instead of yearly or annually, as they say with finance talk. Well, Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, publicly withdrew his company's support for the legislation. He stated the bill would be materially worse than the current status quo. Armstrong said Coinbase would prefer no bill than a bad bill. The statement marked a turning point in the legislative process. Following the backlash, the Senate Banking Committee cancelled its Thursday markup session. The committee cited the need for additional time to gather support for the measure. The committee has not announced when or if the markup will be rescheduled. The Senate Agriculture Committee also delayed its planned Thursday markup to late January. Democrats schedule industry call. Senate Democrats are organizing a call with crypto industry representatives for Friday. The call comes less than 2 days after the committee hearing postponed. Democrats from the Senate Banking Committee and Senate Agriculture Committee will participate. Several crypto policy advocacy organizations will also join the discussion. The stablecoin rewards program's compromise will likely top the agenda. Democrats, Republicans, bank lobbyists, and crypto representatives have been working to resolve this issue. Some Democrats and Republicans were already resistant to the draft bill before Coinbase withdrew support. This made the committee's work uncertain even without the high-profile exit. The Senate Agriculture Committee maintains its January 27th markup date. This hearing is still scheduled to move forward as planned. Bitcoin traded at $95,480 at the time of publication. The price dropped 0.83% over the previous 24 hours, according to Coinmarket data cap. Some industry voices view this delay positive. Crypto venture capitalist Kyle Chase called the postponement a bullish signal on Friday. Chase noted that markets held steady despite expectation of decline. He emphasized that the market didn't get damaged as many predicted. That was the article. I hope that you enjoyed it. Of course, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And I will see you in the next one.